Guys, look at that little shebang, little.
What is going on, guys?
Alright, guys, I'll be right back. I gotta take a shit.
Here's your boy Refurbishing and my girl Allie. That editor, you know, she edits the videos, you know the vibes. Yeah, we gotta go to the shop. My old exhaust is there, that single exit I had of like my OEM one. I want to cut off my cap and then I may sell the rest of it to someone. We gotta make some stops today.
Vlog life.
You know, vlog life. I'll come back to you guys when we, you know, doing something. Hi. Rich gang, man, we rich. We just grabbed some money, rebuild money, put money aside for this machine working shit. So we're going to the shop right now, update you guys then. Alright, we're at the shop. I'm about to chop this shit off right here. I'm about to like keep it with the downpipe and stuff. And someone might be buying the rest of the portion, so not sure, but no safety first. Easy as that. Woo. Who's got the best dollar for the cat, you know? For the pussy cat, you know? As soon as I thought about this, I remembered I had it and I asked about it. The day before, the market crashed 20% with the prices and shit. So I was like, well, f me, right? You know, just always. I was like, it could be nice rebuild money, but now I might have to hold on to it more when, you know, prices come back up or something. What up, guys? Good morning. It's your boy, Rich Bish. Coming back with another video, man, as always. Starting out in front of the garage. Always some TSX stuff. I can't wait till I get another project to add to the fleet and give you guys some different content as well. And start getting into some drifting. But that'll be later down in Florida type of shit. In the meantime, what I'm doing today, I'm taking out CT short shifter because that is like a big reason as why I money shifted. Finding fifth gear and shit was just hella weird. And I'm just not dealing with it. If I'm getting any short shift, I'm getting the hybrid racing shift box and shit like that. I probably end up getting new shift linkages and things like that just to refresh it up since I'm having everything new. I don't know. We'll see when the time comes, when the car is driving and stuff. Things aren't broken, so I'm not gonna fix it necessarily. But yeah, I need to take that out because I wasn't like the biggest fan after a little while, especially with the fifth gear type shit. It's hella weird. I'd rather do it without it until I get the hybrid racing. Let's get this thing out. And if you guys could hear my lovely, lovely deep voice today. I don't know why I woke up today. I'm just like,
Alright, guys, I'll be right back. I gotta take a shit.
So we're gonna get started with this. Taking out toll center portion, what I need to do, shebang. So we can get to the shifter, take out the shift box, somehow take out the short shifter. A bit of Loctite up in there, so yeah. Let's see. Right at this point, a couple minutes later, I open this up because I never opened this up after the whole shebang. I noticed this little spring just sitting here and I have no idea what it's to. I don't know if it's something to do with underneath here where there's like springs and little things wise, but it seems like real just skinny and flimsy, so I don't know. I'll come back with some more updates because it's just little boring things. A little hungry hamburger helper. Got this damn thing out. Nice and easy. I have no idea where that little spring came from. Maybe it was like for the cup holder mechanism or something. Gotta go get the Allen key that fits this. I'm gonna mask it with tape, I think, so I'm not damaging it too much. Vice grip it and try to just pull on it or something. This one fits it, but the Loctite or something got grips of it and it's really hard. It's gonna basically just snap the Allen key, so I need to get something like these, but the hex one, I don't have a small enough one. I have to wait until I can find something that fits and be able to take that off, then probably have to go to the shop to go on the vise. So, onto this next project that I started a little while ago, but kind of stopped because this happened. The rear sway bar. I believe this is the TL Type S rear sway bar, and these are the bushings that were used for it prior. These are 7/8. So I believe that's the 20 millimeter size, which is the TLS sway bar. I believe so. And the 22 millimeter is the Progress sway bar. I believe so. believe so. I don't know. Going to rough this up some more, do a little bit more sanding because I believe that's maybe what I need to do. This is the color I'm gonna go with. I feel like it's gonna look cool, you know? Possibly, maybe. Nice gloss, deep blue, and it's paint plus primer, so it should do the job. We got some stuff in the mail that I'm about to be opening for the oil pan we are gonna be bringing to the shop today to have the homeboy Joven help weld us up that return line for whenever we go turbo. I need that, so it's better to install it off the car. You need to do it off the car. So yeah, I'm gonna be going to the shop doing that a little later on because we gotta drill the hole then get it welded on, and I don't know how to weld. My homeboy does. He did my exhaust and all that too, so shout out to him. Let's go get the other stuff. All right, we got this. Grab this little knife. Ground cables. We'll probably replace that soon as well. Don't look at my Addy, guys. The AN10 bung. This is the thing I need to weld up. Let's see what this is. Green tea air fresheners. K motor. Yeah, this is dope. It comes with air fresheners. Hold up. The oil pan nuts and bolts seem a little big for some reason. 20 bucks. That's dope. I actually ordered one more thing, the drill, step drill for this, to drill this thing in. These are the correct oil pan bolts. These just seem pretty big right now because they're newer and shit. The rest of the ones look just small for some reason, I don't know. Sanded it down as much as I possibly could. I didn't go crazy. Using some awesome, make sure it's nice and clean. Let's go dry it off now. Start painting, I guess. Grab some alcohol real quick. I'm just gonna wipe over it. And it got off a little bit more, you know, debris. Go to the back over here. Can you guys guess where I'm gonna go real quick? Basically, catch every surface. I think it should hold in, you know, possibly do the trick. So let's just wrap up the door a little bit. Alright guys, so this is basically what I came up with. Kind of got all angles I'm able to reach. The only little bit downside is right here, but that's just only going to be like the corner mark, and I could always like touch it up afterwards, kind of shake this bad boy up and try to get some painting in. Rust-Oleum acrylic enamel coverage paint plus primer automotive grade, bonds to plastic, metal, and more. Gloss deep blue. I wanted to bring back the old TSX because rear sway bar is from the old TSX, so I was like, you know, it only makes sense, right? You know? Yeah, let's start trying to lay some paint down. I'm definitely gonna get, you know, a bit brighter and glossed up as I, you know, keep adding the layers and stuff. But I still have over half this thing, so it's not even a quarter was used actually. I'm gonna turn you guys back on once I start doing the next step. So the sun kind of busting out right now, but hey, this paint kind of dries pretty quick, which is nice. Don't get paint in your eyes. Alright, so there goes the second step, and we got maybe a little bit less than half now. Touch up that little corner spot up there. Just go from there. I didn't expect a whole lot of the best results doing this, given my setup. It's gonna be under the car, but it's gonna be a nice, quick to glance at type of thing. It's not gonna be all rusty and shitty looking. Yeah, that's all I really wanted. Let it dry up. See? So this is one. Took this guy on a little walk around. I also mounted the TV in the different room. Switch rooms around a bit. Girlfriend's cleaning right now. It didn't come out terribly bad. Yeah, that shit dries up quick and nice. But I really wish I didn't, like, I don't know, get real close with it. Maybe I'm gonna go over it one more time since it's like fully dry. Should I? All right, have a little close up. Let's see what we working with over here, you know. But this is tape, so that's getting taken off. But you know, it didn't come out too bad, guys. Yeah, I mean, that matches really heavily. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be kind of like a deeper blue a little bit, because that's how the TSX was. Oh, we are back after a while of it sitting. Took a break and shit and whatnot, you know. You feel me? You feel me? But you know, it didn't come out looking too bad. Maybe that's how I'm gonna sand it. I don't know if I need to wet sand it down to like smoothen it out more and stuff. Oh, you see that magic trick, bro? Woo! So, I mean, we barely missed any. Look at that. Barely missed any. So look at that, guys. We MacGyver shit. Now we're just gonna touch this part up, because I'm not gonna do the whole thing and then it looking, you know, OCD. It's gotta be all blue. All blue. Gave myself a little bath, guys.
It's water.
I mean, should be dry. I mean, this paint dries really good. This part feels a lot better than over here. That's that. I'm gonna take this off, take it down. I'll catch you guys next time on the cam.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
We're gonna be on our way to the shop to go do this, so homie Joven could weld up the AN10 plug. Be good to go whenever we need boost. Walking on deck, stendo. We vlogging right now, bro. See, I got drinks. I gotta vlog this, that I got drinks from the gas station. Mobile Dragon Fruit Red Bull. Have you guys tried that out? It's actually really good flavor. It's one of my, you know, more liked flavors. There's some Sprite. Some Sprite. I'll be trying to drink too much like soda. I've definitely cut back a lot, especially that I've been going to the gym and this and that. So. Oh man, touchdown.
Probably do the same thing in another 6 months.
Whatever, exactly. That's certain videos, you know. Yay!
What up?
I can't welds. Got my welds are right here, man. Did my exhaust and everything, so.
We can get it done.
Oh yeah. This camera quality, man. Fuck.
So if we go too high, I won't be able to get the torch behind it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you might have to go like, yeah, like maybe right here.
Right now he's sanding down that little bunch a little bit so it could have like, you know, the welds could stick good onto it. What is she doing in here, man? What is going on? What the fuck is that? That should hurt, right? Ew. Oh my god. TikTok. So yeah, we're gonna come up like and put it right there as high as we can, so you know that still fits and be able to weld. Do a little tap.
Give it a tap, yep. A good one.
One.
Alright.
Just came out real soft, man.
I haven't used this yet. This is the first time.
The step drill. It seems about the third one, but you know, go to the second one. See, you know, so we don't f shit up from there evenly. Start fast, yeah. Check that.
Guys, look at that little shebang,
Little break your hand off.
Yeah. Be careful on kickbacks, guys, because your fucking wrist will probably snap.
That's Milwaukee. That's that torque.
Yeah, that's that torque in this shit, man. So now we gotta go ahead and clean this up. homie Joven just got done. This is the inside. Looking good, not too shabby. It's not gonna leak. Definitely not gonna leak because it's got the inside and the outside. Right now I'm not touching it because it just got done and it is fucking hot. You guys can see this looks pretty good too. The top portion was a little harder to get to, but still didn't come out bad. Shout out to the homie Joven for doing this. And I'm letting it cool down. Then we'll be heading out of here soon. Go back home. Peace.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.